for furs. I worship furs. After all, is there a woman in all this wretched world who doesn't?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Taylor, and today I have a Halloween video. So excited. Well, tomorrow is finally October. I'm recording this, the day before October. And I look like a dog, but it's alright. It's okay, I'm gonna put a wig on. We're gonna do Cruella De Vil. Yeah, fur, they got the fur. So we're gonna do her today, so we don't need a long introduction. Well, I can't talk. Had a long day. Like y'all know, taking 7 classes in college, so it's great. That's great. It's great. So what we're gonna do is gonna get started because I got class in the AMs and it's 9 something. So let's see how long we're gonna get this done. All right, so we're gonna do our brows. Everybody be gluing their brows down. First of all, I really don't trust that because I'm already breaking out anyways. And second, I don't have glue with me. I have some of my art kits, but they are in my car because I have several art kits now. I'm not traveling with all my art stuff. We're gonna just wing this brow because her brows are, but I'm gonna make this like a modernized Cruella De Vil. Like her brows was high. We're gonna take the Anastasia zip brow. I'm gonna do them joints, okay? We're gonna try to create it like a higher, but I'm not going to conceal it. I know I'm going to conceal it a little bit so you won't see the hair, so I'm just going to take this and just create, we'll bring it up higher. Yeah, we're gonna bring it up higher but conceal it like crazy. Okay, like how I kind of do my faux brow. Like if you want to see that video, I suggest it. I should have primed my face. In Cruella, she has green eyeshadow, so we're gonna definitely, this is a sample, it's called the Becca Love Skin Love. We're gonna test this out and see if I like it or not. I love how it smells. It smells really good. Put this all over. It smells really good. I like how this feels too. It's not drying, but I have oily face, so I'm not sure if my makeup is gonna like it, but it smells good, so I like that. Really, Cruella does not have a gradient brow, but we're gonna just see how this turns out. We're gonna see how it turns out. We're just gonna see. Okay, so we're gonna have like our brow is gonna be sharp. It's gonna be clean. I'm using the concealer Fawn from LA Girl. And again, we're gonna really conceal this up. Like we're gonna take a lot of concealer and literally like take the brow and make it higher, basically, by covering the bottom half of your brow. I guess this is why people glue them, but I don't know. Your girl don't got glue, like I said. I don't have glue. So we're gonna basically get rid of it. Okay, so now that my brows are completely done, they're cousins, not sisters, because one is a little bit arched, but I kind of like this one better than that one. But it's I always like this one better. I don't know why. Anyways, so we're gonna take our Morphe 3.0 palette, and we're gonna take the color Slight right here. So it's that. It's this color right here. We're gonna go and we're gonna just put that all over. We're gonna actually bring this higher because of our brows are higher, so than where we usually put it. I set my eyes with concealer. I usually don't like putting a powder over it because it makes it literally impossible to clean. So okay guys, I'm gonna quickly show you how I did this eye, because Cruella's eyes, like I said, are green and they have kind of like a smoke to it, so I just created like this version of it. This is what I thought. So it took me a while. I was like, what should I do? Life is just great. Life is amazing. It's so great. This dumb thing, just supposed to protect this thing, and it's just not. Anyways, alright, so we're gonna get started. So like I said, we did the brown within the Morphe palette. I brought it all the way up. Now we're gonna take the Villains palette from ColourPop, which I love so much. And we're going to take the color, oh yeah, 101, which stands for Dalmatian 101. It's kind of like black. And we're going to take that and we're going to put that right underneath the brown. So basically, really in your crease, to be honest. You take that up high, a little bit, just a little bit. Sometimes you just gotta pat it out. I just did this to save time. So yeah, so right now that's all I'm doing is patting this on. And thank God this is not gonna be a long video to edit because I'm chopping it up a little bit. Take a brush, a fluffy brush, just blend it out a little bit. So it's not as harsh. Alright, and we're gonna go back to the Misunderstood palette. We're gonna take the color Facile, whatever it is. And we're gonna take a nice flat brush and just put it literally where you didn't. You can cut crease if you want, but you don't really have to. Just put it where it's supposed to be, but bring it up like that. So yeah, that's what I did on this one. Just bring it up and fill it in. Since it's a press, I mean, I love ColourPop. Like, look, what is it not to love about ColourPop? We're going to take this palette from the Wet n Wild collection for the Rose collection that they had. It was limited edition. And there's a green in here, and it looks like that. We're going to take that on a pointed brush and just do the end of your tail with something dark, like a darker glittery green. It gives it this nice effect. Like that. Alright, my eyes are red because I've been irritated for some days because I have really bad allergies. So, yeah, we're going to take the NYX gel eyeliner. Okay, we're going to take the liner and we're just going to create a line and go down. And just meet it at mid-turn. Ooh. Get some more. I use this so much I'm running out. I think this is like one of the best liners, to be honest. It stays, it doesn't come off so easily. And that's really it. And then you put your lashes on. Using the Glam 3D lashes and then number 21 from Iconic. Is it Iconic? Something, I forgot. But this is the glue that I use. Nobody always like to show their glue, but I use this glue as yes, IMovie. This is what it's from, the IMovie. Even the lashes are IMovie, and I love it so much. So I'm gonna buy another one of these lashes because these lashes are really cute. So yeah, so you just blow at it. People always ask me how I put my lashes on. I will have a video up for that soon. I think I recorded one already. I just gotta edit it. Guys, I've been struggling. So after I put these lashes on, I'm gonna do my face makeup, like my contour and things like that. Okay, so I've contoured the face, did my eyes, you know. So now we're about to do the lip and the highlight. So for the highlight, I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty How Many Carats Diamond Balm. Wow, I can't talk. I told y'all I can't talk. And we're gonna take this highlighter highlighter brush. I'm sorry guys, I'm tired. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. And we're just gonna sprinkle that on our faces because we just are. Dang, I'm just messing up my you see that? Should do it like a clean because I keep messing up the white of my highlight. Just put that on the nose. Stumble on the eye a little bit. Just this a little bit. Don't need much. Cause yeah. And I'll just put all over your face. Okay. Well, that's definitely in the middle of my forehead, but it's whatever. So we put that on. Now for the lip, I'm gonna line my lips with Lax by ColourPop. I'm just gonna line it with this color. Actually, I might use this color. I just use this. Actually, I'm gonna use it. Yep, because she has a red lip on, but not every red can look good on. I think her red is not my red, so before I think I want some sparkle. Yeah, I want some sparkle. So I'm putting the NYX glitter lip on my lips. Not much. Maybe. This is the makeup look. So this is what it looks like, the makeup look. Now I'm going to put the wig on. We're going to put on the whole Cruella. So let's do that now. I'll be right back. Alright guys, this is what Cruella looks like. I got this wig off of Amazon for $16. It really feels good though. I'm not gonna lie, this is a good wig, but it just needs to be worn a little bit so I can give it some volume. My eyes are irritated again, man. Oh. Let me take this. Ugh. My eyes were not this red before. I'm mad about that. Anyways, so this is what she looks like. Got the gloves and all. So I hope you guys like this video. It's quick and short, and this is like an easy way to do Cruella. Don't mind my eyes, like that's gonna bother me. I have really bad allergies. It's really bad. So, and yeah, well, hopefully you guys like the look. This wig, I said, I got it from Amazon for $16. It's a curly bob wig. It's really cute. I'm going to like wear this week to school and all, cause I just like it. And that's really it. So hopefully you guys like it. Stay tuned for more videos. I got a lot more videos to do. I'm so excited for all the videos I have planned. And I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Yeah. Don't mind my eyes. So, deuces, guys. Bye.